Come on, somebody. Today and forever. We're going to sing UJesu nguye owasendulo. Are there some guys that are here to declare Jesu nguye owasendulo? Are you there?
Like I did, you know how to dance. Come on. You're ready to sing it now. I'm going to show you guys that can dance. I'm going to show you guys that can dance like David. The Bible says, dance like David danced.